I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. This saves time. Make sure your car is awake in accessory or on mode, because many head units won't accept pairing otherwise. On your iPhone, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and confirm iOS is current so protocols match. Once done, remove or disable other nearby Bluetooth connections. They can block pairing. Keep the phone near the car's head unit. Proximity improves discovery and speeds the initial connection process. Now pair your iPhone to the car's head unit step by step. Put the stereo into Bluetooth Discovery or the dedicated wireless CarPlay setup mode, because some systems separate Bluetooth pairing from CarPlay registration. On the iPhone, go to Settings right arrow Bluetooth or Settings right arrow General right arrow CarPlay and choose the vehicle. Tap the car name, then confirm any numeric code shown on both screens. This establishes a trusted link. CarPlay uses Bluetooth to... Finally, accept the CarPlay prompt on your iPhone and choose Always Allow if you want automatic connections. The head unit will switch to the CarPlay interface. Wait a few seconds as apps load, then test maps, phone, and music to verify audio and controls. If CarPlay does not appear, restart both the phone and the stereo and try the pairing sequence again. One key troubleshooting tip. If Discovery fails, clear old Bluetooth pairings on the head unit and reinitiate pairing from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.